everybody, and welcome back to another Active video. So in today's video, I'm going to be installing a tool chest in the back of the bed. The reason being is I've just been stashing a ton of crap in the bed, and it looks very dysfunctional and unorganized. So I'd rather just have it all contained in one spot. I don't plan on storing anything of value in this chest, just because there is a chance that, if someone really wanted to, they would take it. So, yeah. I'm not going to put anything in there that if anyone steals it, it'll be detrimental to me. But yeah, just random oddball crap that I've been storing in the bed. This chest is 37 inches long, 17.5 inches wide, and 14 inches in height. So yeah, it fits in the bed pretty well. There's maybe about 5-6 inches on each side, so there's still some room on either side and behind as well. I wanted to make sure that I had the most room to be able to open the lid. And then this chest is kind of cool because it has 4 cup holders on the top of it. So you're going to the beach or something, you want to sit on the bed, put your drinks down. I guess that's kind of a cool feature, but anyway. Yeah, what we're going to do today is we're going to drill some holes in the box and in the bed. Let's get started. Alright, so I think my plan will be put some paint on the bottom of the chest, place it down on the bed, see where that marker lands, where I want it, and then ensure from the underside that it's good to drill there, and then start drilling. So that's kind of where we're looking to hit center here, and then yeah, should work. We'll make sure, we want to check the underside to make sure in this general area we're not going to run into anything, but should be good. If we put this up to the edge of the bed, right, the length of the napkin, we can see there's nothing up there. There's nothing mounted up there that's going to get in the way. So we can put a hole there. Punch successfully made. You can't really tell, but it's in there. So that should help the drill bit get started. Yeah! Got down. Okay, so I put a little paint down right next to the sides of the hole. That transferred onto our chest box, so we're looking for smack dab right there. Should line up pretty well. Yeah, definitely recommend you bring out a tape measure while you're working. Would make this a lot better, but hey, if it works, it works. There we are. So we'll put a socket on the top of this, and then we'll go on the underside and put the nut on. Okay. That felt good. That is snuggaroony. Oh, there you go. Nice. So that's where we stuck it. Looks good. It's nice and secure. Let's check it from up top. The tool chest is in. In other news, some little freak made a residence on my truck. Anyone know what this is? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, thanks so much. And I'll see you in the next one.